Hello and welcome friends to LNS Infotech Solution. Today I am showing you what something special. Can you guess? Icons. While developing any websites, any designing websites, most of the developers are confusing how to create icon or how we designing it. For with this we can use a Photoshop or like that. So this is so much of wastage of time and we are using that image into the particular website. Still stacking of particular websites means website loading time will be increasing. So what was the best solution for that? See here. So how can you find that perfect solutions for the website development icons? So before starts here, I request you don't forget to subscribe our channels. So let's start. Suppose we wanted to create an smiley, emoji, product icon, rupee icon, or any other particular icons. So that available already exist into the particular scripts, CSS or HTML. We don't need to create any new. Means we don't go for particular photoshops or create new. How we can create into the existing HTML, CSS and PHP. So let's see. Most of the peoples are confusing how we can create and all like that. This is so much of confusing parts how we can perfectly adjust into the particular row or like that. So let's see here the parts is an important parts while developing any of the websites. Icons are required in it may be your mobile app. Mobile app most of them users are using app icon. So how we can use that icon into the website and app. For this we are using a font, that is font awesome font. This awesome font has already given some kit which is here. I link with it. If I go with this link, you can see these links. This particular JS is already available for that. Now suppose I wanted to use an CSS, that is material formats, icons, family, font is also available. Instead of using CSS or JS, directly using fonts. Instead of using CNDJS is also font available, CSS. So there are different types of simple options and these options are not effect on loading our peer pages, SEO impacts. So here I request you kindly use this so you can avoid your external work, extra work and become a more simplified your solutions of your websites. So how is this are working? Suppose I'm showing you this demo. This is how is looking like that. Here is already most of the people are searching for dollar or rupees icons. Dollar or rupees icon already exist into this CNDJS formats and these are open source particular font CSS available. You can go through the link and download this CSS. This CSS is good for you. Simple, lightweight, doesn't affect means if even I click within the seconds is particular loading. If you can see, even is working on local host, hosting server, each and everywhere supports most of the supports. I think it most of the browsers. Just skip the I Internet Explorers 8 and 9. Most of this not working on this Internet Explorer 8 and 9 and today most of the people's 99% people are not using this. Up to I age users are using this is working in Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Opera and all particular browser, mobile apps and everywhere these are the working. Let us suppose to be I have to use a rupees icon. So like that this rupees icon in Unicode format also available if someone wants in Unicode format. that already exists into that is and hash x f156 semicolon. This will be Unicode format already exists, or simply use the class with fa space fa dash inr. Similarly, fa dash I usd. Suppose I wanted to use some different media icon like that mic on off. Suppose I will show this demo how means this I am making this simple applications. If you see this video on off, actually video on off using the JavaScript, but that icon using a simple CSS or font family. Here I am using a font family. You can also use CSS, but these are already available, so you don't need to create an image or add into the web pages. If you see this material icons here, I am applying, and simply I am applying on click, change the icon function. Nothing else. On click, mute and mute. If I go particular these small functions, I am just changing this text to mic off. Mic off is the icon that particular text to particular class. That's the simples, and even if I can use Unicode characters like that video on off functions, means this is more simplified solutions. We have to find a more simple solutions to help to our developers create a perfect solutions within a short period of time. Now let's suppose to be we are using CND.js format. These are the most of the using developers or any app or any websites. These types of menu are generally currently required. Like that means indications of logo with the particular text. Means logo is or image is also required and text is also required, but all this should be in one line and proper perfect spacing. How we can achieve this? If we make simply F12 and go to the elements pattern, and here I am just checking for the first, that is icons fa-fa home, and here I am using a fw icon, that is home icon, and after that simply home text, and I am just spacing out something, some small gap is here I am applying, so that we can use a much more simplified, if you understand, and without fixed width it will be like that with small changes, but I prefer give some small width, so you can make a unique solutions and view much more clear in if you are viewing particular mobiles. Suppose I am viewing Moto G4 like that and making the 100% view. This is looking good in the mobile also. iPad, this also looks good like that. So in this way we can use this icon into the website development, mobile app development, any type of mobile app development. If you are developing hybrid app, this is good solutions because it's work perfectly, line proper adjusting. You can apply your any other font family after using this. Let us suppose I will show you a demo. I am using some font family other. Let us suppose to be here I am showing you a font family will be Arial. Arial is changing, or suppose Comic Sans MS. So this would be changing. In this way, we can apply our own font also with this font also, means our font also not affecting. Suppose we want emojis. How we can catch this emojis into this